Pancakes made with butter taste so much better. Do you agree? The only problem is that butter starts to burn and smoke quite easily. But don't worry, there is an easy solution. Just clarify your butter before you use it for frying. To make clarified butter, all you need is a saucepan and a spoon, and of course some butter. Here are the steps to follow. Melt the butter in a saucepan on low heat. Carefully skim off all the white foamy-looking milk solids that rise to the top of the melted butter. Slowly pour the remaining clear butterfat into a jar or a container, leaving behind the milk solids that have settled at the bottom of the saucepan. This simple method has always worked for me really well. However, if you feel that you can't quite get all the milk solids out just by using the spoon, then you can also strain the melted butter through layers of cheesecloth. That could help you catch whatever milk solids might have been left in the melted butter. And that is all. Now you can use this clear butterfat for frying without needing to worry about setting off your fire alarm when making pancakes. But pancakes are not the only thing you can use clarified butter for. There are many more delicious and creative ways you can use clarified butter. To get more ideas on how to use clarified butter, follow the link in the description below this video for my full article about clarified butter. There you will also find instructions on how to clarify butter in the microwave, some other variations of clarified butter from around the world, and the best ways to store it for the long term. Check it out now.